Hey guys, I'm Sanglap and welcome to my other video. After many days, I'm back with my another prototype game dev project. Before starting, let me say you something. Actually, the demo you will see in this video has been corrupted for some unknown reasons, and I had to restart the development from scratch, but I recorded the video before the corruption. And I would like to thank you guys for supporting my work. You are just awesome. The messages you sent me on Instagram just touched my heart. So that's all. Now let's get started. So here is the game, and here you can see the golden one is the character, and there you can see the enemy character moving. And so I'm going to enemy character and I'm gonna shoot him. So here you can see I'm shooting him and you can see the gun sound. Okay, and now I'm reloading, and there is another one. Okay, so let's kill him also.
A few moments later.
So you can see the flash, and also a dry fire sound, and we can reload it reloaded automatically. So let's talk about the features. And here you can see now I am using the SMG, but I don't have the image for the particular image for the SMG, so I have not added it. We cannot switch weapons like professional games till now, but I will add the feature later. And I have kept the SMG on my back, and here is the enemy. So I'm now shooting, and the SMG does less damage. And here you can see there is another enemy. And kill him. So you can also pick up the ammo. Here you can see. So I picked up the ammo, and you can see the ammo extended by 60 points. And that's all. The game has been corrupted, so that's the problem, and I have to start the work from scratch. So that's all for this video. Hope you have liked it, and don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. You can also support me on Patreon, and my social media links are in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.